Hey guys, today I'm start lecture number 2.4 Installation Security Management Server on Gaia Open Server. So in our lab, so we can install this management server. Already I discussed to the IP address and interfaces. So let's start to the VMware. Power on. Press the up arrow, then hit the enter. Wait few minutes. So now I'm opening the smart dashboard. Smart dashboard IP address, we can check it. CMD pconfig so 10.50.110. Okay, okay. So here, welcome to the screen. Okay, then select the keyboard selection language and then okay. So we can change to your system root partition. So we can assign the 30 GB 30 and press the arrow and again I'm 30 GB 25 somethings. Okay, and the 27 28 is by default is coming. Then okay, admin password is admin at the rate 123 is by the normal password. Then hit the enter. Okay, so IP address 192.168.10 dot right now I'm assigned to this only. Default gateway is 110. Then okay, then okay. So we need to the more few minutes. Okay, so we can right now stop pause the recording. Okay, so we need to the reboot in server. Okay, okay. So we can try to the ping management server 190.168.10.10. So yeah, I'm able to the ping. Open the Internet Explorer. Hmm. HTTPS 190.168.10.10. Then click here. admin admin@123, then login. Now I'm login via web browser, then same password, admin@admin123. So we need to the clear browser history and delete we can delete everything. Admin123, then login. Yeah. So here is a platform, VMware platform. We have any appliance. So suppose we have appliance to 1200 and some things, 1100 like that. So we can see here in appliance number. So right now I'm installation with VMware. So I can see here VMware platforms. So then next, so set up the continue the R80.10 configuration. There is a few types of installation. Installation version from the Checkpoint Cloud. Cloud means in directly installation via in Checkpoint website. So second one is installation from USB devices. So there is in portable devices, and we have one or more option, import the existing snapshot. So snapshot means the backup type. So once we start the backup part in lectures, so that time we can discuss and installation sometime snapshot. So then next, so we can installation here. So we can change the in default gateway only. Can see the 100. So I mention here 100 also. Pair the same. Next, then management server IP address. Sorry, name management dash 001. Then next, next. So previously I have discussed to the standalone deployment or and in distributed deployments. So we can discuss here some few points. Okay, so right now I'm selected to in check mark both security gateway as well as security management server. So we can select both options. So we can installation is the standalone deployment. Just consider to standalone deployment appliance. So but right now I'm moved one in check mark. So say I'm installation in security management server. We can installation next. So previously R is R77.30. Here is one options in this option is not in previously is this administrator as a base administrator in Angaya OS. But this administrator is a define new administrator. Define new administrator means who access for the via smart dashboard to management server. So I'm just consider to the this option to use to the administrator. Okay, then next, and then who access for the which machine access to the and management server 10.50. Okay, so then next, then finish. We need to the more 10 and 15 minutes. So right now I'm pause the video. So installation is startup already. We need to more 10 and 15 minutes. So now installation is successfully. Then okay. Then admin. So guys, I'm installation and successfully right now R80.10 management server. Okay. So then next lecture is in installation management server gateway firewall 110 and 11002. So thanks guys.